We are like Duke here. Here. Almost. There we go. Karen said, Duke here. Karen says this is extreme conditions. The ocean is a little nautical this morning. Get him over here. Here he comes, Duke. It is blowing. There, back to the wind. And it is snowing. They all left me. Karen said this was a great idea. Now they're all leaving. Karen, you leaving? Oh. She says she's cold. I did leave the truck room though. No flip-flops this morning. Probably need something on a little bit taller than what they are. It is nautical. All right, so I don't know, maybe 8 inches, 9 inches. It's just blowing though. 26 degrees or so. I was saying earlier, Brian Rhodes, I'm going to text him in a little bit anyway and ask him. I bet you it was 12 years ago. I know he told me right at the end of the season. And we had a good 18-incher. He stayed at the house. Man, there were some big drifts at the house. There's big drifts here, actually. They got the silt fence. Oh, my goodness. I'm not going to cuss, but what is she doing? It's drifting up a little bit. OCMD inlet. I got my little Karen's the smart one this morning. Ryan, what are you doing? Where's Duke at? Because he's a dum-dum. How's that duck oven? Karen loves the duck oven. All right, love, I was making fun of your gloves. My fingers did get cold, the backs. Yeah. She just loves being outside anyway. We got to go to Peerless Road next. Or go to future site of PBHQ.
Trying to find a ball.
Did you throw a ball?
I threw a ball.
Oh. I was going to say, damn. Right, where'd it go? All right. Well, you get your dog in here, love. Oh, do it. Take your time. Yeah, I'll admit my pinkies, backside of both my pinkies are cold. Yeah, take that damn thing off. I can't stand Rod's pink collar. Right, back. Right, look.
All right,
Sit. Look, sit. Pretty black dog. I do think. I mean, I'm biased. I do think she's a pretty good looking dog. What do you think, love? My pinky just got warm for some reason. The wind stopped a little bit. Frostbite. All right, Ryan, what do you think? Right here, right here. Right, ready?
Crazy cow. Come on.
Are we done? Yeah, we're going to Peerless Road. If you're not familiar with Ocean City, this is the inlet parking lot. You can't go any further south. Starting right there, there's the inlet right in there. And that's the ocean on up to the fishing pier, on up to Delaware. So, does feel good to be out. It's better than being in bed. That's what I'll say. I couldn't wait. I've been, I guess, awake since 5 o'clock. I didn't want to mess Karen up, get a little bit chance to sleep in, but I was ready to go at 5. Waking up at 2 a.m., 5 o'clock's late. All right, guess we're going on to Peerless Road. Thank you for tuning in to Facebook Live. If I can get back in here. Truck's a mess. Was that halfway fun?
It was.
My lens is all watery. All right. Thank you, and thank you. More to come. Boom.